we just woke up. We're a little bit late, but this is the second day, not opening day. I didn't get a hunt opening morning. I got a hunt last night though. But we're headed out. I'm gonna sit on a stand, I think, this morning. Wait for some bucks to come my way. And that's the plan for today. So let's get out there. Good morning, guys. We're at the stand where I'm gonna sit probably. My family, my dad, my sisters are over to the right of me, and they're gonna just sit and walk and try to speak something towards me. We got 2 tags, me and my dad. So, yeah, this is the stand, and I don't know if I'll be able to film if buck comes because I'm not myself, but I could probably film me shooting, but not the animal. Sorry about that, but that's just the way it's gonna be today. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get paying more attention. Another crazy event just happened, guys. I'll show you right now. On the hillside over there, I hear a bunch of noise like in my gun already. And I see a coyote chasing a doe. And as soon as I got set up, but the coyote was gone too fast and it ran, and I saw it run off. And then another one came and I could have shot it. Alright guys, it's second weekend, Saturday. We're in the truck and we're about to head out. So hopefully maybe some other people will push some deer in there. So, see you guys when we get up there. So, yeah, that's the plan. Well, guys, we're down the ridge. We're looking at the other side of the ridge. I think we spotted a doe.
He's pretty big forky, ain't he? He ain't too bad. I'm aiming for a working horn.
Good morning, guys. I didn't make no video last night. I'm sorry about that. But yesterday evening, where we spotted that buck, we were on the other side of the ridge, close to where it was. I went up higher because I saw like deer trails going to like a spring. So I went to the spring, and my dad went to that lower, and was glassing the other side of the ridge. Not quite where we were yesterday, but I think he spotted the buck. We want to actually go after it. I mean, we're probably going to, but we want to go to this one. I think he's like a 4-point. I think past his ears. And Dad watched him till dark last night, so we're over here again. We're gonna just keep watching. As soon as this guy comes out, we're gonna wait for him to bed. And when he beds, we're gonna go over there. And we're kind of looking at the terrain. And there's no way we can get a shot off at him from anywhere. So I think Dad's gonna have to bump him out towards me. We're just gonna have to hope he goes my way. Because there's no shot. It'd be too loud, so we'd scare him around anyways, so we're gonna try to push him towards me whenever we find him. So we just gotta find him again and okay, guys, so I found that big bucky and I lost him for a little bit. The bigger bucky's a 4x4, so he's definitely a shooter. But they're close to the rim, both of them, eating on a bush right now, so hopefully we can get him to bed in. Okay, guys, those bucks came by myself. I shot him, and then I shot him again. Second time, I don't think I hit him, but he looked like he got hit, and he ran down. There was 2 of them. I haven't seen any of them come up. So I'm packing my stuff up, and I'm gonna go for this little hill right here and see if he's down there. Oh, this is exciting. There he is, right there, guys. Right there, looking all pretty. Let's go pick him. He's down, guys. Oh, guys, this is such a fun hunt. Had Dad spook him, and yeah, we shot him way up there, about like 200 yards. He ran a little ways, but boy, this is a nice buck. Not the biggest I've ever killed, but he's definitely a good buck. So probably gonna get him out, take some photos with him, and drag him down the steep mountain. All right, guys, this is the buck we killed today. Not the biggest buck, but he's a nice buck. Got a big body on him. The shot was a little bit back. I thought he was running when I tried shooting him, but it's a beautiful buck, and we're gonna skin this guy out and pack him out of here. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. And if you like it, give it a big like. And if you like this channel, guys, consider subscribing. I'll put last year's buck hunt right up here. And just thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next one.